Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I'm just going to show you a few of the castings whose videos are going to come in the coming weeks. So let's start with this one. So this one is a 1977 Jaguar XJ6C and it's by Matchbox. Good looking casting, and if I'm not wrong it was new for 2024. Next is this 1973 Chevy Camaro, and it's by Hot Wheels. As you can see, it's part of their Fast and Furious Villains line of cars. Again, has got some good details. We'll see it in the detail. Next is this custom Kia EV6. It's by Hot Wheels. It's new for 2025 and looks like it has some good design to it, but misses out on some details too. Next is this Blaze Blaster 3 by Matchbox. It's an electric fire truck, and if I'm not wrong they also did a Blaze Blaster 2 and a Blaze Blaster 1. This one is due for 2025 though. Next is this 2021 Morgan 3-wheeler. It's new for 2025. The casting is by Matchbox and looks really good, especially in this British racing green. Next is a 31 Ford Model A Custom. Again, it's new for 2025. It's by Hot Wheels, part of their main line, and looks like a good casting. We'll see once we open it up what are the other details on it. Next, we have got this Volkswagen Baja Bug, and based on Beetle. It's a buggy. It seems to have some nice paint on it and then some good wheels too. We'll open it up and see what are the more details on it. Next is this Ford F-350 Stingbed truck, again by Matchbox. I'm not sure when was this casting originally launched, because at the bottom you can see it's 2014 metal, so it might have previous, different paint or maybe same paint previous release. So these were the casting from Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but I have an extra one. I'm just going to show you that. That's not from Hot Wheels or Matchbox. It's very different. So this is a casting of a bus which is specially made, which works at Columbia Icefield in Jasper, Canada. We recently visited it, and this is a scale model of that, the bus which takes you on glaciers. This should be special, I think, because you don't get to see that. So these were the castings, and I'm gonna make some videos pretty soon, and then you guys can see in depth. Thank you.